Good evening, students. In my last part of the video, I covered the first function of the central bank, that is issuing authority of the central bank. So today we will be covering the rest function of the central bank. Among the rest function, the second function of the central bank is the central bank is also act as a bankers to the bank. And I have told you it is act as a bankers to the bank and bankers to the government, is it? So first we will be discussing how the central bank acts as a bankers to the bank. Bankers to the bank means central bank is the bank of all the commercial bank. So as a bank of all the commercial bank, what it is doing? As a bank of all commercial bank, it is one, it acts as a bank. So what is the function of the bank? Accept the deposit, accept the deposit and grants loan to all commercial bank. Means from all, it as a bankers to the bank, it acts as a bank, as a supervisor and controller, as a lender of last resort, lender of last resort, and also act as a clearing house. Clearing house. So these many function the central bank is doing as a bankers to the bank. So as a bankers to a bank, when it function as the bank or commercial bank, it accept the deposit of the commercial bank, deposit in the forms of the CRR, SLR, all these deposit the central bank is accepting, and also it grants the loan. Fine. And as a supervisor, it control and it keep its vigilant eyes over the overall functioning of the commercial bank. Means whom the commercial bank is granting the loan, whether it is granting the loan to all the sections of society or to only the rich sections of the society or to the rich industrialist. And it also saying that whether at what % rate of interest it is granting the loan, whatever CRR supposed to it keep along with it, whether it is keeping or not, all those things the commercial bank is supervising as supervisor and the controller. Fine. And as a lender of last resort, when the commercial bank is facing any financial crisis and it is not having any other sources to get any help, then it is the central bank only which is extending its help to the financial help to the commercial bank. Fine. And as a clearing house, it settle down all the interbanking claim. What do you mean by settle down interbanking claim? आपको पता है कि एक साल के अंदर एक अकाउंटिंग ईयर में, एक साल के अंदर मतलब एक अकाउंटिंग ईयर में इस बैंक का चेक वो बैंक, उस बैंक का चेक वो बैंक, मतलब कैनरा बैंक का चेक एसबीआई, एसबीआई का चेक पीएनबी, पीएनबी का चेक आईसीआईसीआई, इस तरह सारा बैंक एक दूसरे का चेक को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. तो ये जो एक दूसरे का चेक एक्सेप्ट करता है, जब एंड ऑफ द अकाउंटिंग ईयर होता है तो सेंट्रल बैंक क्या करता है, जिसके ऊपर जितना बनता है क्लेम्स चेक के थ्रू उसको सेटल कर देता है. कैसे सेटल डाउन करता है? क्योंकि सबका डिपॉजिट सेंट्रल बैंक के पास है, सारा कमर्शियल बैंक का. तो उस डिपॉजिट से जिस एक बैंक का दूसरे बैंक के ऊपर जितना क्लेम होता है उसको ट्रांसफर करके उसको सेटल डाउन कर देता है. फिर न्यू अकाउंटिंग ईयर से शुरू होता है. So that is called the clearing house. Is it? So I have completed the second function, that is bankers to the bank function of the central bank. Fine. Now come to the bankers to the government. As a bankers to the government, it acts in three ways. bankers to government. Third function. What is the third function? Third function is bankers to government. Bankers to government. As bankers to government, it act as a first. Once again, I am telling. As bankers to the government, it act as a bank. It act as a advisor, and also it act as a agent. Right. As a bank, it maintains the current account of the government, and it grants temporary loan to the government by accepting its treasury bill and securities as a form of the collateral. मतलब गवर्नमेंट का बैंक के हिसाब से काम करता है, जिससे बैंक क्या करता है, सेंट्रल बैंक गवर्नमेंट की डिपॉजिट रखता है एज अ बैंक. किससे, कौन सा डिपॉजिट? करंट अकाउंट डिपॉजिट. ठीक है. और गवर्नमेंट को लोन ग्रांट करता है. तो कौन सा लोन? जब लोन ग्रांट करता है, हमेशा आपको पता है कोई भी बैंक जब लोन देता है, कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी लेता है, तो यहाँ गवर्नमेंट से वो ट्रेजरी बिल, शेयर्स, ये सब कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटीज के तौर पर लेता है और गवर्नमेंट को लोन देता है. सो एज अ बैंक it gives the current account of the government, and also it grants the loan after accepting the treasury bill and the shares as a collateral security. Is that clear? Then second one is advisor. It also giving advice. As an advisor, it gives advice to the government on different economic and financial matters. What type of the decisions the government should have to take during the inflations, during when the growth rate is decreasing, what the government has to do. Like government right now has given the 20 lakhs package. So for that also, the central bank as an advisor guiding the government that this is the situations of the economy and you need to be act accordingly. Fine. So as an advisor, it gives advice to the government on different financial and economic matters. Fine. Then as an agent, what the bank is doing? As an agent, the central bank on the behalf of the government, it's selling the government's bonds, securities, shares to the public and to the commercial bank in the open market. Means what? मान लो ये सेंट्रल बैंक है, ठीक है, सेंट्रल बैंक है, ये गवर्नमेंट है, सॉरी ये गवर्नमेंट है, और ये पब्लिक और कमर्शियल बैंक है. ठीक. बीच में रहा सेंट्रल बैंक. सेंट्रल बैंक क्या करता है? जब जरूरत पड़ता है गवर्नमेंट के शेयर्स, बॉन्ड्स, ये सब को गवर्नमेंट का ये सारा लेके इन लोगों मतलब कौन हो गया? पब्लिक एंड कमर्शियल बैंक. इन लोग को जब जरूरत पड़ता है तो सेल करता है इन लोग को, और जब जरूरत पड़ता है तो इनसे परचेस बैक करता है. परचेस बैक. सो सेंट्रल बैंक एज ए मीडिएटर मीन्स एज ए एजेंट, it sell and purchase the government bonds and share to public and commercial bank. Okay, this is what about the bankers to the government function of the central bank. So we have covered 3 important functions. That is, in my first video I have discussed about the issuing authority, and in this video I have covered 2 functions. That is the bankers to the government and also the bankers to the bank function of the central bank. Okay, so wait for my third video. Third video is next video, because next video is very important. That will be covering the credit control by the central bank. Okay, bye bye all. Please students, each function is coming for the 3 to 4 marks. So all these points are very important. After go through the video, please follow the book and then prepare the notes. Thank you.